So what applications are you seeing start to emerge now?
These use cases of the overheight detection, the vehicle compliance, classification, truck parking, wrong way detection, all of those were in the past are using some different type of technologies that we are bringing the LiDAR to, and we're seeing them move over to this type of thing with us. So we see that, and I'm excited to learn. Like the truck parking was something that was new to me. I didn't know that was even a use case that was a problem statement. I think the more and more we're getting this type of data set in front of our agencies, we're going to see more use cases come out of it.
If you took that mobile unit and you were able to deploy it at a crash site to watch traffic trajectory during, accidents or anything like that, like you could feed that data back to the DOT immediately and they could start rerouting traffic on the fly.
I'm going to take a general overview of the market about this question is that you got autonomous vehicles. So the automotive industry, right, implementing LiDAR sensors so that um, making it more realistic for cars to drive themselves. Then you have the robotics sector, in warehousing and logistics, automated forklifts, last mile delivery robots. Like those are all great. Those are great markets, but we're seeing a massive insurgence of interest and a widespread adoption of LiDAR in this whole sector that John operates in that we like to refer to kind of as the smart city and smart spaces. That covers infrastructure, anything related to traffic, perimeter security, whether you're talking about around the stadiums and parking venues or even inside the stadiums to enhance the crowd flow monitor. It's the expansion of LiDAR is rather honestly, it's kind of amazing right now to see this industry sector kind of move not just heavy into automotive and only into robotics, but it's like expanding a lot into a whole set of applications that I don't think people originally intended for LiDAR to fit into.
But we're seeing it even in logistics, transportation and logistics, being able to do volumetric data on the packages that are getting loaded into trailers, all the way through to end effectors, and looking at maybe an engine block and they want to see the profile or the holes that are open for piston placement and things like that. You're going to see it come down in cost. You're going to see it be more readily available, and you're going to see it become more accurate and better quality. So, and that's happening almost on a daily basis, right? So, from traffic security, robotics, et cetera, we're even seeing it a lot of times on transportation in the sky, which is becoming a big area where traffic on the streets is becoming congested, and there's only so much you can do, but you take to the skies and now you can transport a lot of people quicker. And we're really seeing that start to come alive as well.